Welcome to my YouTube channel TechChips. Please subscribe to stay tuned for latest video updates. The topic of this video is OOPS concepts in C#. I am going to explain object-oriented programming concepts here in details. Watch this video till end if you want to be good in OOPS concepts in C#. Let's start with what is object-oriented programming. Well, this is one of the programming style wherein we create object and then we kind of try to relate these objects, form relationships between these objects and work with them. So what are objects then? Object are in-memory classes of programs that we write using OOPS. We create classes for identifying real-world objects. So in way, classes are representation of some kind of real-world objects. For example, car can be a class in object-oriented programming. OOPS is the base for writing object-oriented programs. Many time we do object-oriented analysis and design to create the whole list of objects in a programs. We will have another video on OOAD, object-oriented analysis and design. So coming back to OOPS concepts. There are four main terms which you should be clear about. And these four terms are: Number 1 is inheritance. Inheritance is a feature of object-oriented programming that helps as code reusability. When a class contains properties of another class, it means the class is inheriting another class. Let's say car is class having properties like tires, body, engine, etc., and functions like start, stop, etc. Now we can have another class called vehicle which has similar properties like car, since car is vehicle. So we can inherit vehicle class in car class and in truck class. Because cars and trucks have some properties which are in vehicle and are common. Number 2 is abstraction. Abstraction means showcasing only the required things to the outside world while hiding the details. Continuing with our example, car can start, run, honk, but the details of the how all of this happens are hidden from the outside world. For example, car can be started but how that mechanism works is hidden inside engine. Number 3 is encapsulation. Encapsulation means that we want to hide unnecessary details from the user. For example, not disclosing how the data is being used in a program. Now to explain this, let's say we have class called car which has a method called start. When you call this method, car starts, but it's not shown how this actually works. So in simple words, encapsulation means putting wrapper around the actual implementation. Fourth one is polymorphism. To understand polymorphism, let's break this word into two. Poly mean more than one and morphism means forms. So when we create more than one form of something, it's called polymorphic, and in programming when create multiple form of methods in class, it's called polymorphism. So when we do method overloading and overriding, we are doing polymorphism. I hope you are clear now with these concepts. If you have any questions, please comment and I will reply for sure. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more similar videos. Thanks again.